Hey everybody. It's 8:57. I'm on here 3 minutes early. One, my head is kind of hurting, so I want to go ahead and get this done. I didn't want to postpone it. And two, I just got done with what I needed to get done 3 minutes early, so I'm gonna hop on here. Pull all my paperwork out and get situated. So what, we are in the third week of October. Today we're going to be talking about methods to organizing multiple incomes, and just organizing your money in general. Well, no, that's for another time. I think I've already done a video on organizing your money. We'll just stick to organizing incomes for today, and I'll show y'all how I do that in the spreadsheet. So do I have any updates for y'all? So last week in my Insta story, I showed you guys a picture of the Impressions vanity set that costs like $1,200 that I want to give to myself for Christmas and for paying off my credit cards at the end of the month. And I was thinking, like, should I buy that or should I save that money instead? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to save it, just deposit it into my savings account, and depending on how I'm feeling, if I'm liking it sitting there in my savings or if I would rather buy the vanity, that would determine how I feel about it. So I'm on track to pay off my credit cards by the first week of November. So this Friday, next Friday, this Friday the 19th, next Friday the 26th, and then the Friday after, the 2nd, I have the money to pay off all of those things, and I'm paying it off as it comes in. So every Friday I'm expected to make a payment. Saturday, November 3rd, I am collecting my coins for teaching, and I usually deposit all of that money on Monday. So November 5th, Monday at the latest, is when that stuff should be paid off, and I'll have an update for y'all the next day on Tuesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that on my calendar. Pay off everything. Okay. So that's that. So where saving for the vanity or just having that money stay in the savings account would start November 9th. I get paid every Friday pretty much. So yeah, and it's just a matter of, do I want to like have it grow in savings or spend it? So that's that, you guys. I don't have a frivolous spending update, but I will have one next week. Just because I did one last week, I feel like the frivolous spending will be better to do bi-weekly. So yeah, so today we're going to talk about methods to organizing your multiple streams of income. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to update you guys on the budget and then show you how I organize multiple streams of incomes, because that's on the spreadsheet too. Let me make sure I'm not forgetting anything. It's been a long day, you guys, and my head kind of hurts, so sorry. I'm looking at my notes. Yeah, so that's all done. So let me take you guys and flip you. Well, okay, first let me explain this. Organizing multiple streams of income. So that's good to do because it will allow you to save, budget, and pay down debt in a more efficient time frame. I currently have 4 streams of income, and they all go to different things. Like, they're all concentrated on either living, debt, or saving. And it's fine if you want to put them all kind of in one account. If that works for you, I don't recommend it. I have another video on organizing your money with multiple accounts. I did it a while back. I'll probably do it again to update you guys on it. But if it works for you, it works for you. But I think there's a more efficient way to do it, and I'll do that in another video. But it's important to organize, your multiple streams of income so that you know what you're working towards, and when you're working for that money, you know where it's gonna go. That's gonna help with your priorities, that's gonna help with any goals that you have, and that's gonna help just keep your budget and your debt payoff and your savings on track. So let me flip y'all over. Did it flip you? Okay, good. Okay, so here on my budget, we're gonna highlight, where's the mouse? Oh, here we go. I'm gonna highlight this area here. So my monthly incomes, nanny is my live-in nanny job. Teaching, I teach voice and piano on the weekends. The Goldens, that's another family that I go to, that I work for during the day, while the kids that I'm a live-in nanny for are at school. And then Eastside Church is a church here in the city, and I work their nursery Sunday mornings before I go to like my church for afternoon service. Okay, so those are the incomes. Here in parentheses is what those incomes go to. So my live-in nanny income, that's what I live off of, and that is all of this right here, bills that I pay from that account. Actually, this is for October, and all of this will be implemented in November. We'll go over that in November. I don't want to confuse y'all. Don't pay attention to the red. My teaching income for this month, and notice you guys, I have October monthly income. So month to month, what I spend on like these 3 bottom things, well, actually the middle 2, because savings always goes to savings. I kind of forget about that money because it's in a different bank, different account. It's not with my main bank. So month to month, what I'm spending my income from teaching and with the Goldens on changes month to month. So this month is dedicated to paying off debt, credit card debt. And savings will always be savings. So notice that I put October monthly incomes. So month to month, they can change as far as, what the income is going to. So that's just a simple way to keep it organized, is to implement it into your spreadsheet, organize it with accounts, and I mean, that's pretty much it. It's fairly simple. So moving on to the budget, October monthly bills. So today is the 16th. Yesterday my phone bill was paid, so I unhighlighted that. I have storage, iPhone storage that I upgraded. It was $1, now it's $3. That's due on the 28th, and then my health insurance is due on the 30th. I also added Audible. That bill is due on the 9th, so it was already paid, and that kind of bumped the cost up a bit. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I wanted to keep this one quick because, like I said, I feel a migraine coming on. So yeah, that's how you organize your multiple incomes. You just write them down month to month and decide what you're gonna spend them on and stick to it. Hold yourself accountable. So yeah, that is it. Thank y'all for watching. Live your life in abundance. Stick to a budget. Write out your budget and stick to it. Create some goals for yourself financial goals. Hold yourself accountable and live in abundance. Budget in abundance. So thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna go to bed and I will see y'all next week.